guys, we are back with the next vlog. The Westin Goa is located at Anjuna in North Goa, and we would rate this as one of the best properties across Goa. It is not a very large property and is slightly away from the beach too. But Sagar, our fantabulous host, ensured that the stay was quite simply out of this world. Sagar gave us a call 2 days before our arrival and helped us opt for the most splendid pool patio room over the suite. The suggestion was superb as we found out when we reached the property. Sagar also ensured that there were some lovely gifts ready for the kids on arrival. Also, the Westin has this cute regime of engaging the kids in a fun coloring activity which ends with them choosing the bakeries and sweets of their choice. A simple yet highly effective gesture of making the kids believe that they are valued, and our little ones were quite vocal about that special feeling. Pool patio room is one place that we would just love going to any day, and it is incredibly nice and cozy. Anjuna beach is just 1.5 kilometers from Westin, while the Vagator beach is 2.1 kilometers from the property. The Mopa airport is the nearest airport, which is just 45 kilometers away from the hotel. For those who opt for the rail transport, Tivim railway station serves as the nearest station. The hotel's location offers easy access to Goa's pristine beaches, vibrant markets, and cultural attractions. What more would you like other than to have a nice drink by the pool and then jump in if you want to have a swim? Sagar helped us with reservations at all key restaurants within the property as well as at the various sundowners. He also helped us with suggestions on the places to visit in North Goa. The food was perfect right through. The market was consistently good, and a special call out to the Time and Ash, which even has an open air screen for a nice movie on a moonlit night over drinks. luxurious spa offers a range of rejuvenating treatments and therapies to indulge in relaxation and wellness. There is also a game zone and a dedicated kids club which provides entertainment and enjoyment for the younger ones. The service quality is clearly a highlight at the Westin, and the entire staff were ever so willing to help with a smile throughout. Sagar, you are the best, and we can't wait to come back again. I hope you like this video. If so, please like, share and comment. Also, please consider subscribing to our channel. Stay tuned for more videos. Until then, bye!